Came to me in a dream. That's right, a dream. I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven. By some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered someone fade me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong. For the people I said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People have said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. The devil will drag you under by the sharp lapel of your checkered coat. Sit down, 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 sit down. Won't you please sit down? Stop rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. For the people have said, beware, you're on a heavenly trip. People have said, beware, beware, you scuttle the ship. The devil will drag you under by the fancy tie around your wicked throat. Sit down, 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 sit down. Won't you please sit down? Stop rocking the boat. As I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. And I said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under with a soul so heavy you'll never float. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Won't you please sit down? Stop rocking the boat.